Welcome to another ICP update. I know I have not made a video about ICP in a long time, but nothing has really happened. But I believe that something will happen very soon, and I believe we will get a very good looking pump on the ICP chart, just because the other altcoins did it as well. ICP is just a bit behind. If you look at the Cardano chart, as you can see, Cardano already got a huge pump. It went from 31 cents to about 78 cents already, and XRP is also getting a pump, Dogecoin is also getting a pump, so I think it's only a matter of time until ICP gets one as well, and that would go perfectly well with the fact that ICP just completed a 1-2 setup right here, which means that right now of this 1-2 setup we need a third wave, and the third wave, as you can see, has already started. We are already getting a bounce. And of course, I cannot confirm that the second wave right here is in until we get above the first wave high, but once we get above that high, then I will be able to confirm that the third wave is happening, and that third wave should get to $12.53, which is the 200% extension of the 1-2 setup. Now, of course, it could overextend maybe to the 2.272 extension or maybe even the 2.618 extension, but that does not really matter. What matters is that we get 5 waves up. And what are these 5 waves for? Well, these 5 waves are needed in order to complete this C wave right here, which is the C wave of this green 1-2 setup right here that we started all the way back in August, which is the C wave of this AB structure, and this AB structure is also the AB structure of this 1-2 setup that we started all the way back in August, which means that right now we need to complete this third wave right here, and of that third wave we just need the C wave right now. So I know I said the word wave a lot of times, but I've been right many times already, so the Elliot wave count literally does work. And well, for those saying that it does not work, well, the chart has reacted perfectly well to my resistance level, it has respected support levels, and it's following the wave count that I have on the chart. So is it really wrong? And does it really not work if it follows what I say? Anyways, we need this third wave right here, and that should get to about $16 and let's say 4 cents, and that will only form this third wave of this 1-2 setup right here, which means that after that we would still need a fourth wave move down, and then we will need a fifth wave move up, which should get to about $20.71. Now keep in mind that will only complete the third wave of this 1-2 setup, and then after that we will still need a fourth wave move down and then a fifth wave move up, and this fifth wave move up could easily get to about, let's say, at least $25, which should put us above this high right here. And why am I saying that? Well, because the first wave high right here was actually extremely impulsive, so yeah, I'm expecting the third wave to be as impulsive, well, actually even more impulsive, which means that, like I said, the third wave should get to about $20, and if that happens, then the fifth wave will obviously be able to get to even 30, so yeah. Now, as you can see, we got rejected by the bull market support band here, and we got below it, but right now we are back above it again, so I cannot confirm that we have bottomed in the second wave move down right here, but I think it's pretty much safe to say that we have, at least according to my feeling. But of course, you cannot judge charts based on how you feel, so don't listen to your gut feelings, listen to the technical analysis. Or listen to both, do whatever you want. That's not financial advice, by the way. Now, keep in mind, Bitcoin dominance is still not going down right now. I mean, yes, it is going down a bit, but this is nothing too crazy, and I'm still expecting it to start going down soon, because if you can remember from my previous videos, I did say that Bitcoin dominance always goes down in November, and that has always happened in the past 8 years, so we should close a red wick, and what happens after that is still unclear. Maybe we will get another new cycle high in December that goes to like 64% or so, and then we get the altcoin season in January, or maybe we just start going down in December and we start the altcoin season in December. It's very hard to say what will happen, to be honest with you. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Now keep in mind, we did go to the overbought territory on the monthly. Well, we are no longer overbought now, but we were overbought, so maybe we have topped already, but then again, I cannot confirm that until we get below the bull market support band, and even if we get below it, we should stay below it for like a month. Then I will be able to confirm that we have topped. So yeah, hard to say what will happen. But keep in mind, ICP is still looking bullish on the monthly chart, It reacted to the 0.618 support level right here, and right now it still needs a third wave move to the upside. And there is a target. I have changed my predictions a bit, so as you can see, this third wave right here has this target zone between $150 and $258. Now, obviously, I know that sounds like a lot, but maybe it's not a lot. I mean, don't forget, ICP went down from about $84 right here to about $2. And if you take this high right here, which I don't want to take because this was just market manipulation, but if you take this, we went down from $600 to $2. So who is to say that we will not go up from $2.80 to about $150 again? If you look at the monthly chart, I mean, as you can see, the RSI is not even close to being overbought. So if we do get to these levels, that would make it be overbought. Now, I have no idea what will happen after a third wave move up. It's very likely that we only get 3 waves in this cycle. But even then, I mean, it should still get to about, let's say, this 100% extension and that 200% extension of this 1-2 setup. Like I said, my minimum target for this cycle is $86. So we should be fine. Now, where would that put its market cap? Well, if you look at the ICP chart on CoinMarketCap, as you can see, the market cap is currently at about $4.4 billion and the price is at about $9.29. So what happens if the market cap goes up like 20x? Well, the price will also go up 20x. And where would that put us? Well, if you multiply $9.29 by 20, you get $185. And that would put the market cap at about, let's see, 88 billion. Is that unrealistic? I don't think so, because Bitcoin will most likely get to a market cap of around 5 to 6 trillion. So ICP getting to a market cap of, let's say, 88 billion is not unrealistic. I mean, the market cap of Binance Coin is currently 90 billion and it's not even close to topping. So, you know, I think we'll get a huge altcoin season very soon, and I think it will be the biggest altcoin season we have had so far. I also want to look at Bitcoin just because I believe this is important. So Bitcoin is currently overbought on the monthly, which is not a big surprise, but if you look at the RSI, it's only an RSI of about 73. In the previous bull markets, as you can see, the monthly RSI went crazy, so we are nowhere near close to being overbought like we were up here. So I don't think we have topped, obviously. I still think Bitcoin will top somewhere between 255k and 190k, but honestly 190k does not seem like a lot right now, so maybe we'll get to the 4.618 in this cycle. We did not get to that extension in the previous cycle, but maybe that's just because we had a pandemic before the bull market. I don't know. We should at least get to the 2.618 in my opinion, and if we do that, then of course the altcoins will just go crazy. I mean, the altcoins are already going crazy and Bitcoin has only gone up like 30% or so in the past few months, which of course is a lot, but keep in mind Bitcoin dominance is still high, so the fact that the altcoins are already going up and Bitcoin dominance is still up is very bullish, because once Bitcoin dominance starts going down, then the altcoins will just do something like this and they will explode to the upside, and that's why I believe this will be the biggest altcoin season yet. Now, I don't want to talk about the Elliot wave count right now, but just keep in mind we are in a third wave and it does not look like we have topped. We got to the 2.272 extension of this 1-2 setup, and I think it's very likely that we hit about 100k and get to the 2.618 in the third wave, and then we get a fourth wave. And we'll see what happens in the fourth wave. All I know is that the fifth wave will most likely trigger the altcoin season, so when we do get that fourth wave and when the altcoins drop like 40%, then do not be shocked. But then after that, the altcoins should just do something like this, and that's how the bull market will start in my opinion. So yeah, even though we have been going sideways for about, let's say, 5 months now, ICP is still looking very strong. It reacted to the support regions and right now it's trying to reverse to the upside, which is a very good sign. So we'll see what happens with this. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out our YouTube memberships and our Patreon if you want to support the channel and if you want access to all of our charts. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.